Hey Jelly Beans, John, come back to you for another unboxing. Oh my, if you know what I mean, Jelly Beans. Yeah. Yes, this is another Whatnot unboxing video. This video is brought to you by the Car Collector. His link will be down below for Whatnot, so join his stream and check it out, see what he sells. Obviously cars. But anyway, I'm going to rip this box open right now. There we go. Whee. Easy peasy lemon squeeze. What? Some Utz sour cream and onion. Potato chips. I know where I'll be giving them to. And sweet heat barbecue. Chicharrones. Fried pork skins. Yeah, buddy. Alright, here we go. There we go. Here's for what we've been waiting for. The first one, need to unwrap. This is called Motosaurus. Motosaurus. Yes, it's a treasure hunt. Woohoo! Very nice looking dinosaur car. It's pretty cool. That's really cool. I like that. I like that a lot. But I know who those potato chips are going to. Alright. Here we go. Here is a 1956 Ford F100 Mr. Pibb. This is a really neat truck. It's that's why I went and did a buy it now and snagged it from the Car Collector. Very nice looking piece here. I like it a lot, or I wouldn't have gotten it. So, alright. Thank you all for watching. If you like, please like, share, and subscribe. Please check out the Car Collector on Whatnot. His link will be down below. My link will be down below too, so you can join and get your $10 in-app credit. Thank you again for the potato chips. I'll be giving them to my very good friend at work. Yeah, thank you. Peace.